Let's check here. 1.1.4, 1.1.4. We have x plus 3 minus 2 square root of 5 minus x is equals to 0. What we can do here, we can transpose this part to this other side so that we can have the square root equation. So we're going to have x plus 3 equals to 2 square root of 5 minus x. That's what we can have. Then this is a square root equation. What you do is we square both sides to remove the square. X plus 3 squared is equals to open brackets 2 square root of 5 minus x close squared. Then this is going to give us x squared plus 6x plus 9 equals to 4 open brackets 5 minus x. Therefore x squared plus 6x plus 4x, that is 4 times negative x, it's negative 4x. Then take 4 to this other side, becomes 4x. And then we have plus 9, which is this one. Then 4 times 5, it's 20. Then transpose this side, becomes negative 20 equals to 0. Then x squared, 6 plus 4, it's 10x. 9 minus 20, it's in negative 11, is equals to 0. Therefore, this is going to be x plus 11, x minus 1 equals to 0. Then your values of x are as follows. X is equals to 11, or x is equals to 1, or it's x is equals to negative 11, or x is equals to positive 1. But since you're dealing with square root equation, you must test your answers which one is going to be correct. So if I take this one and put it here on the left hand side, it's going to be 1 plus 3. I'm going to have 4 here, then equals to, let's look at also the answer is going to be the same here. If I put 1 here, it's going to be 5 minus 1, which is going to be 4 square root of 4. It's 2. 2 times 2, it's 4. Meaning 1 is the solution. But if we test negative 11, you will find that it's not the solution. Therefore, we're going to cross here. But let's test first. Negative 11 plus 3. The answer is negative 11 plus 3. The answer is negative negative 11 plus 3, the answer is negative 8. And then if we put negative 11 here where there is x, 5 minus into negative 11, I'm going to have 5 plus 11, which is 16. Square root of 16 is 4. 2 times 4, it's positive 8. So negative 8 and positive 8 are not the same, meaning therefore negative 11, it's not the solution. Then we cross here, then we are done. Thank you. Then we move to your simultaneous equation. Let's look here on your simultaneous. So maybe the tricky part here might be this part, which is not a problem at all. What we can do here, what is that we can do here? We can transpose this 2 to this other side, this one. So we have 2 minus 2 y plus 2 is equals to 0. So dealing with this equation is our equation number 1. So there it's x. Transpose it to this other side. 2 exponent x is equals to 2 exponent y plus 2. Then this brings us to exponential equations, which says if the base on the left and the base on the right are the same, therefore the exponents are equal. So this brings us to equation number 3. X is equals to y plus 2. We're going to call this one equation number 3. Then this one is equation number 2. So equation number 3 is from equation number 1. So what we're going to do, we're going to substitute equation number 3 in equation number 1. So here, if I can just repeat, the exponential equation rule is saying if the base on the left and the base on the right are the same, equate the exponents, or the exponents are equal. That's what it's saying. So here the exponent is x and here the exponent is y plus 2, so we equate the 2. So that was the breaking point. Then if we substitute, which maybe I think here you can pass, substitute x is equals to y plus 2 into equation number 2. What we're going to have there, we're going to have open brackets putting the value of x here, which is y plus 2, close squared, plus 2y open brackets, where there is x, we put the value of x, which is y plus 2, close, plus y squared is equals to 36. Thank you. Then we move the square binomial here, y times y, it's y squared, plus y times 2, it's 2y, times 2, it's 4y, and then 2 times 2, it's 2, it's 4, not so, sorry. Then 2y times y, it's 2y squared, 2y times 2, it's plus 4, it's plus 4y. I'm sorry there with the breakup, I don't know what's wrong. I don't know what's wrong here, sorry with the breakup. 2y times y is equals to 2y squared. Then 2y times 2, it's 4y, and then plus y squared, which is this one, equals to 36. Then adding like terms, y squared plus 2y is 3y, plus y squared is 4y, so I have 4y squared. Then 4y plus 4y, it's 8y, and then 4, it's alone here, that I take 36 to the other side. Then I have 4 minus 36, that is negative 32, equals to 0. Then if we look here, we'll see that 4 is a common factor. 4 is a common factor, so 32 divide 32 divide by 4, which is this one. What do I get? I get 8, meaning 4 is a common factor. So I divide everything by 4. What do I have? Y squared plus 2y minus 8 equals to 0. Then let's continue with our factorization. Open brackets, y plus 4 y minus 2 equals to 0. Therefore, the values of y are as follows: y is equals to 4 or y is equals to 2. Then substituting the values of y on the equation of x, we have then the values of x are as follows: x is equals to, what is the equation? Y plus 2, means therefore the values of x is going to be y plus 2. What is y? Y is 4. 4 plus 2, x will be 6. Or the values of x is going to be x is equals to, oh sorry, this is negative. This is negative 4 minus here, minus 4 plus 2, the answer is negative 2. Sorry. Then here is going to be x is equals to 2 plus 2, 2 plus 2 from the equation, the answer is 4. Then we are done. We have solved for x and for y. Thank you. Thank you. I hope I have solved your problem.